Quadratic sequence. In quadratic sequence, difference of the difference is same. What does this mean? It means the second difference is same. Difference of difference is same. For example, if I write down the example of the quadratic sequence, if I have a sequence 2, 5, 10, 17, and so on. Okay, let me figure out the first difference. The difference between 2 and 5 is plus 3. The difference between 5 and 10 is plus 5. The difference between 10 and 17 is plus 7. Okay, now let me solve. The first difference is not common, right? So let me do the second difference. The difference between 3 and 5 is plus 2. The difference between 5 and 7 is also plus 2. So you can see the second difference is same, right? So difference of difference is same. Difference of that difference is same. It means the second difference. Second difference is common. In quadratic sequence, the second difference is common, right? Now, let me write down the nth term formula for the quadratic sequence. Now, the nth term formula for the quadratic sequence is Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d1 plus d2 over 2 into n minus 1 into n minus 2, where a is the first term of your sequence, right? D is your first difference, means your second term minus first term, the first difference. Here A is the first term is 2, the first difference is 3, and D2 is the second common difference. This is the second difference, and which is the common one, or the second difference is the same, right? So in arithmetic sequence, the first difference is common. In quadratic sequence, second difference is common, right? Now let's do some examples. So the first example is, let's suppose I have a sequence 6, 8, 12, 18, 26, and so on. Okay. Now we need to figure out the nth term for this quadratic sequence. This is a quadratic sequence. Okay, now let's me solve. The first common difference is the difference between 6 and 8 is plus 2. The difference between 8 and 12 is plus 4. In 12 and 18 is plus 6. In 18 and 26 is plus 8. So this is the first difference, which is not constant. Now go to the second difference between 2 and 4. The difference is plus 2. 4, 6, the difference is plus 2. The 6 and 8, the difference is plus 2. So second difference is constant. So this is an arithmetic progression, right? And for arithmetic progression, the nth term formula is a plus n minus 1 into d1 plus d2 divided by 2 into n minus 1 into n minus 2. Okay, now let me solve its nth term formula. So this is Tn. The first term is a, which is 6 plus n minus 1. D1 is the first common difference, which is 2, plus D2 is the second common difference, which is 2 by 2 into n minus 1 into n minus 2. Now we can cancel 2 with 2, and let me simplify this further. So Tn is equals to 6 plus 2 times n minus 2, and plus here we can solve. N times n would be n square, n times minus 2 is minus 2n, minus 1 times n minus 1 times minus 2 is 2. So nth term formula for n square is the first term, then the n is 2n and 2n. So these two are cancelled out, just 1 minus n is left. Okay, positive 2, negative 2 is also cancelled out, just 6 is left. So this is the nth term formula for this, the above quadratic sequence, this one. Okay, let's do some more examples. Okay, the second one, let us assume I have a sequence 5, 11, 19, 29, and so on. Okay, now let me solve the nth term formula for this quadratic sequence, right? So first we need to figure out the first difference and then the second difference, okay? The difference between 5 and 11 is plus 6. In 11 and 19 is plus 8. In 19 and 29 is plus 10. Okay, the first difference is not constant. In 6 and 8, the difference is just 2, and 8 and 10, the difference is 2. So the second difference is constant. So its nth term formula is the quadratic sequence. So the nth term formula is Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into d1 plus d2 divided by 2 into n minus 1 n minus 2. Okay, so plug everything. So the nth term should be A is the first term, which is 5, plus n minus 1 d1 is the first common difference, which is 6, plus d2 is the second common difference, which is 2 by 2, into n times n is n square, n times 2 is minus 2n minus n and plus 2. Okay, let me simplify this further, and we know that 2 by 2 is just 1. Okay, so Tn is equals to 5 plus 6 times n minus 6 plus n square minus 3n plus 2. Okay, so the nth term is, first we write down this n square term, then you have n term is 6 minus 3 is plus 3n, and in 5 when you add 2, it's 7, positive 7. So this is the nth term formula for the above quadratic sequence. Hold on a second, I did n square, these two are the n terms. Oh, 5 plus 2 is 7, and 7 minus 6 is just 1. So this is 1. 5 plus 2, 7, and that 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is just 1. I did this as well over here, right? Okay, let me do another example. If I have another sequence, number 3, which is 6, 10, 16, 24, and so on. Okay, let me find its first difference between 6 and 10 is 4. 10 and 16 plus 6. 16 and 24 is plus 8, and so on. The second difference is 2 and 6. The difference is plus 2. 6 and 8, the difference is plus 2. Again, this is an quadratic sequence. The second difference is same. So the nth term is Tn is equals to A, the first term of the sequence, plus n minus 1 into d1, the first term of the first difference, plus d2 divided by 2 into n minus 1 into n minus 2. Okay, let me plug everything into the formula. So the first term of the sequence is 6 plus n minus 1. The first common difference is 4. The second common difference is 2 by 2. And when you simplify, n times n gives you n square, n times minus 2 minus 2n, minus 1 times n is minus n, minus 1 times minus 2 is plus 2. Okay. All right, let me simplify it further. So the nth term would be equals to 6 plus 4 times n minus 4. These are cancelled out, plus n square minus 3n plus 2. So the final, nth term formula for this quadratic sequence is n square. This is 4n and minus 3n is just plus n. And 6, 7, 8. In 8, take away 4 is just 4, so plus 4. This is the nth term formula for that quadratic sequence. Now let's do an exam style question, the past paper question. Basically, these are the first 4 patterns in a sequence make using counters. Okay, pattern 1, 2, 3, and 4. Part A, complete the table for patrons in this sequence. Okay, pattern number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of counters used in pattern 1 is 3, pattern 2 8, pattern 3 15, and pattern 4. The number of counters are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 24. Need to complete the table. Number of counters for pattern number 5. Okay, so let me figure out the difference between the terms 8, 3 and 8. 5. In 3 add 5, you will get 8. Okay, in 8 and 15 is 7. In 8 you add 7, you will get 15. In 15 you add 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Adding 9, you will get 24. 5, 7, 9, it means you have to add 11. Means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh yeah, 5, 7, 9, 11. You have to add 11 in 24 to get the next pattern. So in 24, when you add 10, it's 34, and plus 1 means 35. So 35 is that number, right? I hope you understand it. So because for the fourth pattern, we can easily count the number of counters from the diagram, and you can write it down. For the fifth one, the diagram is not mentioned. So what you have to do, you need to figure out the difference between the terms. As you can see, the difference between the term is increasing by 2. So it means plus 5, plus 7, plus 9. So the next would be equals to 11. So 5, 7, 9, 11. So this pattern they are following, right? So means you have in 24, you add 11, you will get the number of counters for pattern number 5. Okay. Now for part B, find an expression in terms of n for the number of counters in pattern n. Number of counters in pattern n. Again, it is a quadratic sequence, right? So when you figure out the difference between 5 and 7 is plus 2, 7, 8, 9, plus 2, 9, 10, 11, plus 2. So second difference is same, right? So we need to write down its nth term formula. Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d1 plus d2 divided by 2 into n minus 1 n minus 2. Okay, now let me plug everything into the formula. So the first term of the pattern is 3, n minus 1. The first common difference is 5. Second common difference is 2, n minus 1 and n minus 2. Right. You can cancel it out. So the nth term would be equals to 3 plus 5 times n minus 5 plus n times n is n square minus 2n minus n and plus 2. So the nth term would be n square, and 5n minus 2n minus n means 5n minus 3n. This is minus 3n. So 5 minus 3 is just 2. So 2n. Okay. So this is 3 plus 2 gives you 5, and positive 5, negative 5 is cancelled out. So this is the nth term. Tn square plus 2n. This is the nth term for the number of counters in pattern n. So this is all about quadratic sequence. What quadratic sequence is means when the second difference is constant, that sequence is a quadratic sequence, and we use this nth term formula to figure out the quadratic sequence. What is the nth term for that quadratic sequence? Okay, so we did 3 examples and 1 past paper question. I hope you understand. In quadratic sequence, the difference of difference is same, means the second difference is common, and to figure out its nth term, you just need to learn one formula and you can do all the questions related to the quadratic sequence, right? So I hope you understand it. If you still have any queries in this topic, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Take care.